So, name some parts. We have the crane guard, we have the adjustable guard in front, we have the table, the fence, fine adjustment for the fence. We have the riving knife. The riving knife stops the work binding onto the blade. You need to ensure that the space, the gap there, is no more than 8mm and at least 225mm off the table. We also have the outfeed table. The outfeed table is designed so the operator on the back of the machine cannot touch the back of the blade. So, we're going to rip a piece of softwood. So the first thing we do is set the adjustable guard. We set that close as practicable. We set the fence. So we have a locking lever. We're going to rip this to 50mm. So set it as near as we can to the gauge, which is down here. 50mm, then the fine adjustment allows us to bring that right onto the line. So the last thing to do is to turn the isolator and the extraction on. It's important to use these push sticks. These are a safety feature. So you saw me, first of all, push the work. So you should always use push sticks for the last 300mm of pushing the work past the saw. And you also saw me use the push sticks to move the offcuts out of the way. And if you train yourself to constantly use the push sticks, your fingers will never come in contact with the main blade.